Hey guys, right now I'm outside in the rain. The camera's getting all wet. Yikes. Okay. So yeah, I love going in the rain. It's so fun. But yeah, yeah. Okay, the camera is getting like really, really wet. So yeah. It's just raining and I'm already getting like sopping wet. Yeah. It's raining. Oh my goodness. If I don't catch Mocha when I throw her, no, this is Taya, sorry. If I don't catch Taya when I throw her up, she's probably gonna get like really wet, so. Okay, well, this video is probably like really boring for you guys. Actually, I'm gonna get in this thing because it's dry in here, but it's really dark. Okay, well, yeah, just playing in the rain. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.